Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi cousin. Let's move the plant out of the way. To plan out my week for July 11th through 17th. And I'll be using some stickers from According to Allie, some from her How Far I'll Go stickers, as well as some hibiscus. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, how do I wanna do this? Because I don't know where I would. If I put the stingray down here, I would end up cutting off its tail. And I don't really want to do that. Because if I... Sometimes these stickers are hard to peel up. If I... Let's see. Okay, I guess I could put him like that. And I would still have to cut off part of his tail. Okay. That's okay. Just a tiny bit of the tail. Not a ton, just a tiny bit. Okay. So then what I wanted to do up at the top was actually do some hibiscus. So like this. Oh, I've got ink all over my fingers. I will probably have more before the end of the day. And this. Whoops. And make sure I have pink in here too. Oh, I love that already. Just the spread of color. Then we'll figure out where that last one will go. So then what I'm gonna do is actually work on the sidebar here for my workouts as well as my sleep schedule. So every week is the same in terms of my sidebar. I use the Tombow Dual Brush Pen number 772 and then brush letter in the word sleep, and then take a really cute emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. and then draw out the graph with the sleep, well, where I track my sleep basically. I track how many hours of sleep I get as well as my sleep score, all of which I get from my Fitbit. And then the next thing that I do right underneath it is my workout. So using Tombow Dual Brush Pen 946, I draw a bit of a heading and then brush letter in the words workout, and then take another cute Coffee Monsters Co. emoji, because I mean, my planner is filled with emojis. I just love it. And then write out the schedule for my workouts. So then once that is done, we'll move to the bottom portion of the spread. This is where I use the same Tombow Dual Brush pens to create the headers. And I then brush letter in the word meals and then use the same mild liners, I can't speak today, mild liners to write in BLD for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And this is where I guess loosely keep track of my meals. I realized where I wanted to add these. I wanted to add these. Ooh, careful. Up at the top. Just like this. So I didn't use washi this week. I've used all of the stickers. Well, whatever was left from after my week spread. Oh, this is tough. Oh, I don't want to rip anything. Gosh. Okay, perfect. Oh, I should have switched them, but that's okay. Making sure that I don't. Oh, I love how that looks up at the top, and then I'll probably place this one down here. Okay, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is same thing with the meals, except now it'll be the headers for work. Brush letter using 772 and 946. Brush letter in the word work, and then draw in my work shifts with my fountain pens. And the Tombow Dual Brush pens are a great way to add color to a spread without adding too much bulk either. And I love the fact that my Tombow Dual Brush pens, I do have, I guess, enough of a collection that this will match with almost any spread that I do with, you know, different stickers. But there's so much that you can do with Tombow Dual Brush pens. Oh, I love how that looks. The orange and the blues and the pinks together looks so, so good. All right, so I didn't put anything down for Friday because I am actually with my siblings all weekend. We're going away to Canmore. Now, we don't have a specific schedule of everything. I think my sister's doing a half day, so we'll probably leave around 1, and then we'll do a hike in the evening. So I'm going to take... I really shouldn't do the weekend first, but whatever. I'm gonna take one of these. There's 4 of us, but this will be fine. A pink one. Yeah, let's do this pink one. And yeah, if we're leaving in the afternoon, then I can do all my plan with me's in the morning. Yeah, I imagine we'll leave it around 1. Let's do it in pink. So, Sibs. Leave for Canmore. And then, oh, I'm getting stuff stuck everywhere. Let's put those stickers away. I think in the morning, I'm gonna choose that time to, well, other than pack, I'm gonna do some filming as well. So grab my filming stickers. Ooh, there's colors here that match perfectly. How many videos am I gonna have to film? 2, 3, 2. Let's just see, I'll start it at about 10. What time I would normally start work, I would do the filming. So film the weeks and the cousin, as well as Stationery Pal. Look out for that. That will be coming next week, and there will be a giveaway associated with that. Okay, I won't do anything else for the other days, but I do know we plan on doing like a longer hike on the Saturday. It's just a matter of which one. So I don't want to fill anything out until I know for sure. Although I do know for a fact that Henry has, it's from 11:30 to 12:30. So I'm going to do this. So that I'll remember, so that my husband will remember. So he's at Ninja. He loves it so much. And the coaches there are so, so nice. Okay. Then I know that evening when I get home is when I'll have to do laundry. Yeah, that's when I'll have to do laundry. So my usual Saturday night laundry will be happening on the Sunday. My last Paper Bits Co. Laundry Bear sticker. So place that probably here. It may take longer than that depending on what time I do actually get home. Okay, so fold laundry. Ooh. And then I know Rob and the kids will have a whole bunch of cleaning to do that day. I may have to clean the bathrooms as soon as they get home. You know what, I'm actually gonna write that down. So come home from vacation and have to clean bathrooms. Or I don't wanna rush myself on the day that we leave. So maybe, that's a tough one. I'm gonna leave it open for now, but I know that Rob and the kids will have cleaning to do that day. Okay, so let's go back to here. What I do need to do is meal plan and order groceries. And it's so funny because it's different during the summer versus school time. Kids seem to want to eat different things now that they're at home. Then garbage, garbage, garbage. Trash day. Yeah, trash day isn't, you know, I make my husband do it. I don't like doing it. Trash day. So put out garbages. Yeah. I'm trying really hard not to put my fingers on anything I've just written because there was just that one week where everything smudged. Crazy. What else am I forgetting? There really isn't much now that the kids are home from school. There isn't really much to remember during the week. So I really feel like that's it. Like, I don't want to put anything down on Saturday because I don't know what we're doing on the Saturday. Okay, I'm gonna leave it as is. Oh, no. There's some of you that are like, no, Karina, there's groceries. Yes, you guys are right. So right. So let's find a grocery sticker. I have so many. These are so cute. Oh, I love all the emojis. Let's find a blue one. So Rob will pick up groceries between 6 and 6:30. I love that you guys pretty much know my schedule just from watching my Plan With Me's. The amount that you guys know about me versus how much I know about you guys. I guess that's part of, you know, putting your life out on YouTube here. Okay. Anything else? No, I can't really think of anything else. So what I'm gonna do, because I still have these, I'm gonna leave these hibiscus for my daily spreads, and I'll combine them actually with the spring birds from According to Ali as well. But I kind of just want to leave it because I don't know the whole schedule for the weekend as of yet, so I want to leave it open enough that I can just fill it in as I go. Whew, all right. Oh, it's so pretty, so full of color, and a lot of that is due to the Tombows and just the ink that I use. I can't remember the last time I used a black ink in my fountain pen. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a little bit all over the place, but I really like how it turned out. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.